We are back for part 3, cleaning the lathe down. Just hoovering behind here, get all the swarf out, get that nice and clean and get it all re-oiled. Giving the lathe a bit of we've had a good clear out on it, just got a few bits left on the end now. Got all our bits, 4-jaw chuck, spanners, this bit here, this bit, got that bit back on. Loads of bits and bobs that we need. I've got some geyser, so just put in give it a good little clean, get a degreaser this is, and give it a nice clean, make it all look nice, clean and tidy, and get all the grease off of it. Getting it cleaned up.
Bottom one I can't get. Is it moving? This one here.
Knocked it off. Hold on.
Yeah, this back one on
Yeah.
How was that?
Good right.
There we are. Can't see it on there, but it does say made in England. So we're keeping that. This is going to replace this vice. This can go on the welding bench. Chuck that. What on earth is that? Getting rid of all the scrap. Just got the old jack out. This is for jacking crop sprayers up and bits and bobs. If I press this on the compressor, look. Then let it down again. Another bit of kit we found that we can put to good use because it's been tucked away behind loads of junk. We're putting a bar across so we can put all our iron bars in here.
Go a bit lower.
Like that, look. So we can slot all our bars in there and then they're all out the way
If you put it
and nice and neat.
Yeah.
You can weld down.
Oh look, some more big drill bits for the old gal. We'll put them with it, whoever wants to buy it. Woo. More drill bits. Old drills. What else we got down here? More stuff to clear out. Sweep all this up. Get it all out. One of the drills we just found, they actually fit in this here. So I don't know. We'll go like that. No. She works. Just found a battery tester. This old gauge. There we go, look at that. Here is our vintage collection of bottle jacks that I shouldn't think half of them work. Oh, that one does. Look at that. These are old, these are. Gonna give them a bit of a clean up. We'll find out which ones are good and which ones aren't. Give them a good clean up and that thing, does that work? Give them a clean up and get them all put back away. 30 years of rubbish. We have had a delivery. What we got here? Look at that. Lovely new part. This very nice man has bought me some nice new parts. Thank you very much. More rubbish. I don't know where it all comes from. We've got nice tidied up over there now, and over here. All new welding bench. Just got to bolt the vise down. It's looking good. But now we've got the bits on the steps as well. But now we've got to sort all this lot out, which is another job by itself. What we've got over here. Nuts and bolts, old welding rods, old World War II ammunition box. Got loads down here as well. More nuts and bolts. Just all wants sorting out. There's stuff everywhere. This is a video by itself, all this lot. Old chains, hydraulic fittings. What's in this box down here? Well, I don't even know. Taps and dies. All these old nuts and bolts, look, they want to go. Same with these ones here. Old clapped out generator from many years ago, it wants to go. Oh God. And the worst part about it is, you think this is bad. Well, let's go around the other side. We started pulling all this lot out as well. Oh no. It's all complete and utter junk. I don't even know what's here. But let's get started on this, hadn't we? So we're starting to look good in here now. I'm gonna get a couple of lights up underneath here, make it nice and so we can see everything basically. And yeah, we're nearly cleared out in some parts this side, but all this racking is got to come out next. You know, we've been in here like 3 or 4 days now, and it's just taking ages. But anyway, I'll see you in the next part of the video. See you soon.